Hello, thanks for joining me. So today we're going to be working on the layback spin. This was one of the hardest spins for me to learn. My coach kept trying to get me to do the classic position, but for some reason my body just couldn't stay centered. I would either fall off of my toe pick or my inside edge. I worked on it for about 10 years and still couldn't get it to be more than 3 revolutions. Finally, I decided to try some different positions and I finally found one that worked for me. The side layback position. For this one, I can usually rotate around 4 to 8 times, and it's one of my most consistent spins now. So if you are having trouble with a move and you're about to give up and think that you just can't do it, try modifying and don't be afraid to make it work for your body type and skill. So let's get into the tutorial. So we're starting off from a crossover going onto our back right inside edge. Our arms are facing outside the circle opposite our hips. Now we slowly start to turn our body forward and step forward onto our left outside edge with our left knee bent, keeping our free leg behind us. Once we're facing back to where we started on that right back inside edge, we can let our free leg swing to our side. Next, we'll grab hands behind our back towards the left hip. This will help pull our chest down towards our right hip. Keep the free leg up, don't drop the hip or the leg, and then we'll just look up towards the ceiling. This is the easy part now. We just have to try to stay still and do as many revolutions as possible. The more still we can be, the more we'll stay right on that sweet spot and not fall off of our edge or toe pick. Once we finish all the revolutions that we want to do, we will then lift our head and chest up and do a 1-foot spin. You can do as many spins as you need to before you come out of the spin. To get out of the spin, we will put our right foot on the ice and push sideways with our left foot into the backward glide or backward landing position. This next layback was one that I tried before the side layback, so I thought that I would share this one too. I do this one from a right inside 3 turn. Our arms will be facing inside the circle. Then we'll turn the 3 turn onto the back outside edge. We will start turning to forwards and push forward on our left forward outside edge with our knee bent. Arms will be rotating around to the inside of the circle once again. Now our free leg will swing from behind us to the side to generate the spin. For this spin to get centered, I did a couple revolutions in a 1-foot spin. Once I felt centered, I started to lower my back and head and lifted my free leg behind me bent. This position needs more ab and neck strength. The side layback, you just have to hang over on your side, so it is a lot easier. To finish this spin, we will start lifting our head and chest and do a 1-foot spin. We'll then put our right foot on the ice and push sideways with our left foot into a backward glide, which is also a backward landing position. I hope that this video was helpful and you know now that you can modify and find something that works best for you. My new motto is don't quit, just modify. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay inspired.